Good evening, everybody. This is Dr. Troy Fullerton. There is a saying that we do not rise to the level of our expectations, we sink to the level of our systems. Now, what's that mean? That means we can make plans. We can decide what our objectives are. Think about every business you go in where somewhere on the wall, somewhere, they put up a mission statement. Sometimes they're expressed in lofty terms that we're going to be world class, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. The problem is they have no plan to get there, so it's nothing more than a piece of paper on a wall. And the same thing can be said a lot of times about our bilingual aspirations, our decision to acquire bilingual skills. We can work at it, play at it, dabble with it, but unless we have a systematic plan in place to get there, we're probably not going to make progress, at least not as quickly as we want to. Now stop and think about it. Basically, we can divide our bilingual skills into 4 different categories. Speaking and writing are expressive skills. Listening, that is an understanding. And reading, those are our receptive skills. All 4 of these skills have to be practiced. We do need to know the grammar of the language we're learning. We do need to know the vocabulary of the language we're learning. And we need to learn that systematically in clusters so we can put it all together. And we need to know how to express ourselves. Basically, anything you know how to say in English, you need to learn how to say in your second language in order to be able to say that you're fluent. So, how do we get there? Bilingual Barrier Busters is a system. It's a system, it's not the only one, of course, but it's a system that's in place to give you all the tools that you need to develop your bilingual skills, both in English as a second language and in Spanish as a second language on all different levels. When you become a member of Bilingual Barrier Busters, you will be placed in your own classroom where the materials will be uploaded to you and you will have things to practice with, plus you'll have time to talk to me, Dr. Troy, for my office hours and go over exercises and practice together until you get where you want to go. Our website is bilingualbarrierbusters.com, and we have what's called a Mighty Networks community where you can ask questions 24/7 and get answers and find all of your course material there at a very low monthly price. I recommend you check us out.